Have you heard about Kitchari? Kitchari is a very simple Ayurvedic recipe that is prepared with rice and mung dal beans and the right spices. So when is it recommended? I normally prescribe it to my clients, and I do it for myself when I'm going through a lot of stress, when I'm feeling like getting sick, or I wanna detox my body, but I don't wanna like overdo it. I don't wanna fast the whole day, so I prefer to do a mono fast, eating just one meal, one kind of meal every day. So that's Kitchari. In my website I have tons of resources, and some of them are the recipes for each dosha. So I have the recipe of Kitchari for Vata, Pitta and Kapha. If you don't know your dosha, go to my website, find out what's your body type, so you can start preparing the Kitchari. That's good for you. But today we're going to do a Tridoshic Kitchari, which means a Kitchari that's good for all doshas, because oftentimes you wanna do the detox with your husband, with your boyfriend, with your best friend, and you don't wanna prepare two Kitcharis, one for each body type. So the recipe today is Tridoshic. It is yummy, it is super healthy, it's going to be super detoxifying for your system. It's going to improve your elimination, your digestion, and it's actually very easy to make. So let's see how the recipe is done.